Draw an inverted triangle from the sides, bring two lines and join them in center. Mark a dot and curves. Draw half open six and legs of the fox. At the end, draw a tail and color it with orange. Make face of the next drawing first, then neck and dress is drawn along with arms as per the video. Make long hairs from back, add a crown on the head. Color this beautiful princess. The upcoming art will definitely force you to say wow. For this wow art, first draw small mini dots, then with different shades scratch the dot and enlarge it and mend it to a shape like this. Make various children doing various activities and let's say wow along by glancing at it. Draw two circles, then draw slanting lines and let them appear like legs and arms of two cartoons. Draw a heart in between both of them. Oh, aren't they cute? Drop a heart for them in the comment section. For the next art, you have to make big dots with the help of different markers. Make sure to use different colors for a good view. Then draw lines at the end of each dot and make leaves at both of their sides. And now you can see how beautiful and unique pattern of art is obtained.